Hello and welcome back, or if this is your first time tuning in, then welcome to 60 Second Tech, where I teach you tips and tricks on how to enhance your digital literacy in only 60 seconds or less. My name is Dalton, your friendly neighborhood librarian from the Paul Sawyer Public Library. Today we are going to talk about your keyboard, and our keyboards hold a lot of power, and in most cases the functions of our keyboard typically go unnoticed. But today I'm going to show you 3 unique keyboard shortcuts that are sure to enhance your experience with your computer. So if this is something that can benefit you, then let's start the clock and get started. When using the internet or a computer that isn't your own, it helps to navigate the web using our private browser or incognito mode. In this, data tracking is disabled and you essentially browse with little detection. To easily access this mode using a Microsoft Windows computer, open your preferred browser, then tap and hold Ctrl-Shift-N on your keyboard. A popular element of the digital world are emojis. Most mobile applications have these interwoven in their keyboards, allowing for easy transitions between text and image. But did you know that Microsoft has its own emoji keyboard? To access, tap and hold the Windows key and period. A small text window will appear at the right side of your screen full of unique emojis. A frustration that many of us have had is accidentally closing a window tab and not being able to regain access. But I have a very simple solution that will save you plenty of time and avoid a potential crisis. To test this out, I am going to close a selected tab, then by tapping and holding Ctrl-Shift-T, the tab will reopen as it did before. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I greatly appreciate your time and willingness to want to enhance your digital literacy. Again, my name is Dalton, and until next time, I'll see you later.